Welcome to this explainer. Let's see how just 2 quiet morning hours totally rescued a guy from absolute poverty. Take a look. Are you kinda living backward? Sleeping while the rest of the world moves forward? Meet Thomas. He was a 32-year-old night guard, totally exhausted, barely surviving, and just completely stuck in life. The turning point? His hospitalized mom begging him, literally pleading not to waste his life like she did.
Heading home at dawn, he met a successful businessman named Mr. Chun, who offered a completely life-changing blueprint.
Okay, let's dive into this. The secret? Waking up at 5 a.m. and building while the world just dreams. Now, what's really interesting about this slide is 2 extra daily hours equals 3 extra months yearly. Crazy, right? So hour 1, Thomas just logged in and learned free Excel and accounting skills to build a solid foundation. Hour 2 was all about momentum. He exercised, read, and planned his day to keep that energy going strong. These rules are non-negotiable. Wake up, sleep by 9 p.m., and push through. Honestly, week 1 feels like hell. So the crucial point is pushing through that initial pain. By day 87, Thomas had a massive breakthrough. Using those new Excel skills, he stepped up and completely reorganized his company's chaotic warehouse inventory all by himself. And this brilliantly illustrates the payoff. He went from hopeless night guard to lead accountant, literally doubling his salary. Thomas realized that waking up at 5 a.m. isn't just a quick fix. It permanently becomes who you are. Why does it work? Well, the world is quiet, 0 distractions, and peak willpower completely change your life's trajectory. Let's move to and see how this builds. Challenge yourself. Commit to this exact 90-day protocol starting tonight. So what will you build tomorrow at 5 a.m.? Don't hit snooze. Your breakthrough is literally waiting for you.